All right, what's up, YouTube? Corey Guns is here again. I say again because I'm in the same outfit as the video that's going to be posted in a couple days. So you guys will get it. You guys will see why I'm saying again. But today I'm showing off the two modifications we are doing on this car already. One of them has already been done. You guys actually seen it in the video that I posted with the intro. You've already seen what it is, but right now we are going to be installing. They're on the other side. Sadi. Hey, what's up, Beast? Pop's car, Beast. Or is this Beast? Comment down below. Is that Beast or is this Beast? Because I don't know. But today we are installing these side markers. Now, a couple of my friends know stuff that I've said about this car already, and one thing that I don't like on this car, those. I don't like them. I want them gone. So I'm not going to show you what they are yet. I'm gonna kind of give you the process, but I'm just gonna pan on, boom, show you these, and next. But I see you on them. We're about to get started right now. Brambizzi's, you see them. This bad boy is gonna be gone. I'm gonna give you guys the time lapse so you can see exactly what I'm doing. But yeah, so the next time you see these, they'll be gone. Like boom, yaka yaka. Give me a second, you'll see them. Me doing it, time lapse, boom, you see them in. So the last time you guys are gonna see these. So say bye bye. Just so you guys can see, there comes with two wires. One I've already tucked in. I'm not gonna show you this part yet because the reveal ain't there. You probably saw a little bit, but anyways, let me go back. Okay, so this is what you plug this into. This is if you want to use it as a blinker. I'm just gonna tuck this wire up into here and just like tape it up in here so it's secured and taped off so it's not, you know, hot wire or anything. That's what I'm gonna do because I'm not gonna plug these into the blinker. I don't want to do that, so I'm not going to. So let me finish this up for you guys. Before, after. So once again, before, after, they were orange. Let me cut the lights on for you guys. And now they're just LED instead of that. They're just LED lights. I did not plug up the blinkers. They're just LED. I love them. Looks much better. Done. Let's give you the zoom out and let's zoom back in on these bad boys. Oh yeah, I'll peel that off. Oh my God, that looks 10 times better. 10 times better. I like the look already. If you're telling me that that doesn't make a difference, you're tripping. Tripping. But yeah, that's it. This is the second modification on the car. I tinted the windows. I'll throw up a picture or two so you guys can see, you know, that how it looked before and after. The backs are already tinted, so all I did was match the back to the front, so they're both tinted. I bought them like this. I bought the car like this. Yeah, that's it. Side markers look much better. The dark is way better for me instead of these, because I hated them. I absolutely hated them. I hated them, so they're no longer there. Boom. But that's it for this video, guys. Hope you guys like. Comment, subscribe. I got another one coming. Today is Wednesday. This video is going up. Be ready for Saturday night. Another video going up. Back to back to back. I told you this Type R is going to bring us content. So with that said, Corey Guns is out. I'll see y'all on another one. Peace out.